1 box of mochiko flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 4 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 stick of melted butter, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Hi, I'm Anthony, and this is Ray Small Bake. Today we're going to make a Hawaiian butter mochi. First, we start with the mochiko flour. Okay, next we add the sugar. Then we do 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we do 1/2 of salt. And then toss up for good luck. Then we add the 4 eggs. After that, we add the milk. Then we add the coconut milk. Then we add this, the butter. Next, we use 2 teaspoons of vanilla. We mix it. Now you're going to get your whisk and whisk it. Make sure to do small ones with the whisk. If you have a fork, you do it fast. Okay, after you're done whisking, get your dish and put the batter in the dish. If it's too much for you, have your parents do it. After that, put the dish in the oven. Also, let your parents do that for you for an hour, or at 350 degrees. Your Hawaiian butter mochi, wait until it cools down and cut little squares of it. Trust me, it's really good. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch our next video.